Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming two essentials: a GitHub account and the Copilot subscription or free trial, then install VS Code if you don't have it. Once done, open VS Code and install the GitHub Copilot extension from the marketplace and sign in with your GitHub credentials. Make sure to enable Copilot in the extension settings so suggestions are active. This gets you past the gate quickly and prepares the editor to produce inline completions while you code. Once Copilot is enabled, configure how suggestions appear, inline ghost text, tab to accept, or full suggestion windows so it matches your workflow. Next, create a small test repository or file and pick the language you'll use. Copilot performs better with explicit language context. Then write a concise comment or a function signature describing intent. Copilot uses that prompt to generate relevant code. If you iterate prompts, you'll see increasingly fitting suggestions, and you'll learn how to guide the model. Finish by reviewing Copilot's output. Verify logic, adjust variable names, and enforce your project style. Use shortcuts to cycle through alternate suggestions quickly and accept or reject them as you refine the code. If Copilot stops responding, first confirm you're signed in and your subscription is active, then update the extension and restart VS Code. If problems persist, disable conflicting extensions or check network restrictions. With these final checks, you'll integrate Copilot reliably into your coding loop and keep productivity steady.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.